Hello everyone, this is a quick video on how to use uh, Movie Maker and Arisma to create our from yesterday. You should have all the 6 slides along with the picture of your diagram. Alright, so we're gonna go to our start button and open up our Windows Movie Maker, and once you have selected it, it should come to this screen here. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna load our slides so that we could create our presentation here. So click on Ads and then hold down the Control button, and you should be able to select all 6 slides. So make sure you only select the slides, not the force diagram that you have created. Alright, before we start recording here, what we need to do is we need to practice on how long our video is going to be, and by selecting it, and we could adjust the duration of each of those slides. So go to Edit, and we could choose between 30 seconds to 15 seconds, and it's just based on how long you guys are speaking during that time of the slide. So the first slide there, you should tell us the title and introduce all the students. And make sure that you guys divide up the work that everyone should be speaking throughout this process. And we're going to click on narrate and click record there. So as we are recording, it should be everyone should be speaking and sharing their part of the slide. So beginning is the introduction, and the second part is our question. Please read the question, and please tell us what the givens are, and make sure that you guys avoid just reading off what is presented in the slide. Please explain where you find these given, find, and why you have decided to use these equations. And solution, make sure you guys explain the magnitude as well as the direction of the forces that you were asked to obtain. Okay, once we have finished recording, we're going to click on stop, and it will ask you to save a file. Please choose the same folder as the slides so that we keep all our project in one location. So click on the folder and click on save, and there's our recording at the bottom for each of those slides. Alright, so once we have finished doing our recording and adjusted the slide to fit our narration, we're going to save our movie maker. Please choose save as, and under please save it to the computer. And once again, we're going to save it to the same folder that we have created at the beginning. Alright, and it will save our movies. So now we have our movie as well as our picture force diagram that we have created. So we're gonna go into now linking those two video along with the the force diagram. So whenever I see the force diagram, I should be able to see the video that explains how this problem is solved. So just to clarify, if we open up our folder, we should have our diagram, we should have our movie, and there's our narration along with our 6 slides that we have already created. Alright, so we're gonna open up our Google Chrome, and please go to arisma.com So Arisma is an app that we're going to be using to be linking those two multimedia. We have our poster that shows our force dimension, force diagram, and we got our video that explains it. So for username, please use row physics period 1 if you're in period 1, and the password will be physics. If you're in period 3, just make sure you guys indicate that it's row physics or row period 3. Okay, so once again, for period 1 is row period 1, password is physics, and for period 3 is row period 3 physics. Alright, so we're gonna click on create new Aurora and click on the trigger, upload the picture, and click on browse and go to our folder, and please select your picture, the force diagram. Click on save, and it will upload your the diagram that you have created. And just click on yes, and there's our picture. So anytime I scan this picture, I should be able to see your video explaining your question there. So click on next, and please choose upload the video, and please select the video that we have created using Movie Maker. Okay, this is where you could adjust the size of your video that's going to be shown over your picture. So try to optimize the spaces that are provided there. Okay. And then click on save. And next. Alright, this is where we want to include the title, and for my title I'm just going to put example as our title. Click save. And in order for us to be able to view, others to view, we gotta click on share. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Once we have shared our presentation and video, anytime I'm able to scan that picture, it will be able to play your video through Arisma. Alright, thanks guys. Good luck and